Yo, so let them know say One Nation and Imara Nation. You see me? Yeah, man, you don't know as I tell us, I promise. We get exclusive interview with the one and only Facebook hero, aka World Dawg. You don't know. Bless up yourself, my G.
Don't it?
Yeah. Yeah, man. Fully X gang. You don't know the things that on the King step, man. You understand? Different background, different everything. You understand? We're there now. We call it some G.
Famous Keisha Shed, is it?
Keisha Shed. We're there now. Keisha Shed with the G right now. You understand? First of all, my brother, but I just want to give thanks for the exclusive interview. You see, my bro, God? You understand? This is a small podcast and I try rise to higher heights. You see me? I never reject the offer. So, yo, brother, I want to do the interview with you. You say, yo, we're forwarding. You see me? But when I get in a bag of lele, first question I have for the G, brother. Who is World Dawg?
All right, then. Before it's World Dawg, you know, because you have to have Akeem before you have World Dawg.
So who is Akeem?
Akeem is just a chill youth, you know?
Yeah.
Akeem love the badness still, but I don't like Akeem.
What make?
People get to Akeem too much, but hero no business.
Word.
You see me? People get to Akeem too much, and I can't admit that, but hero no a World Dawg.
Yeah.
Dog them, man.
True.
Drunk.
So yeah, basically what I say is there's a clear difference between Akeem and hero.
Yeah, man. Even World Dawg too.
World Dawg. So 3 different personality.
3 different person, right?
So alright then, since 3 different personality, I'm curious now, my brother. I'm curious. Alright, so you say Akeem, people get to Akeem too easy. So you kinda, push off Akeem, but you don't release Akeem to the public.
Yeah.
Akeem is a more intimate setting with the family. You see me, the kids and the booby.
Yeah. Friends back home.
And friends back home. Yeah. So then it was Facebook era.
Yes.
Second, Facebook era. So who is Facebook era?
Facebook era who take Akeem out of poverty.
Bomba. I put 2 effects on that. You mean? Yeah. Alright, so the G. So Facebook era took Akeem out of poverty.
Yeah.
And put him which part?
Put him to a level where there's no more poverty.
Yeah.
And make World Dawg. So World Dawg around the world. At first it was a Facebook era, you know.
Yeah, that's true.
And then I have to go to World Dawg because why we are going to World Dawg now? Because we not the one place no more.
And which part you did it on Facebook.
Yeah.
So now you're on all major platforms.
All major platforms. That's our world. For right now.
World.
So I World Dawg, you see me?
Pala. Alright, so the G started from Akeem. Yeah. And then him say, yo, Akeem, people, get to Akeem too much. And Akeem, him restrict the access to Akeem. Because Akeem now, is more reserved for the intimate setting, as I say, for him kids them and him booby. You understand? Him friends back home, him family members.
Yeah.
And then him got some man transcend to Facebook era. And then him got some man and say, yo, that's a limitation right there. So I no longer depend on Facebook alone. But they're everywhere. He move off and say, yo,
World Dawg.
So now, as I say, follow World Dawg on every major platform. Him dep on it.
Right, no, every platform don't make it. As it make
dep on it. You see me? So
I reach over there regardless, my G.
Yeah.
Because when I put in the work, because my G, me tell you, a whole heap of people don't know. They might not see it from me, but take this serious.
Yeah.
Very, very serious. You see me?
Brother, I know that, brother, because the accomplishment them when I see the I have, a whole heap of people we do this longer than you, bro. Don't have half of what you have.
That's true.
Don't accomplish half of what you accomplish. Remember say a music video you're going, brother. Remember say a big interview pan Jamaica you're going, brother.
True.
Whole heap of them do this long time, man. It's my goal. You set the goal for a lot of way. Cause even some of the younger comedians them say, yo, a World Dawg set the thing. We want to reach a World Dawg reach and beyond. You see me I say? So right now, brother, you set the mark for a lot of way. We're in this Jamaican comedy thing, brother. And a whole heap of people can't take with them props from you, bro.
I really talk.
You see me I say?
But I any idea, G. We can reach music video, you know.
Yeah.
And we can reach TV and we can reach star, you know.
Yeah.
And we still run behind people and not have nothing. Just watch people achieve. A whole heap of man, me see me going at them video and they achieve. I an idea, they not say, yo, Judge of God, he already did it, you know. Me use that, and me say, you know, say, me nah, me can go forward than me. Me always try put my life and my style to an artist lifestyle.
Word.
Me not try just stay around comedian. Me always try, me a comedian, but always make my life look like a artist lifestyle.
Word.
You see me? Me keep up to date. Me try. If me drop a video right now, me G, and it not get like all I want 3,000 comment, me not feel nice.
Word.
Me not feel like me do something good. You see me? But you can't get whole heap of platform for using me G. But what you gonna do with it? Get the platform, build somebody else's platform, but you forget your platform.
Word. Something like that. You have people where use you as the mark of success. But you no use comedians as the mark of success. Right. You're a mark of success out of the comedic industry and into the music industry, or probably in the movie industry to come. I'm sure you would have going to acting to do.
Of course, my G, man. Of course. More going to movie. If you know, say, my little son will reach out on 14 and they are school and say, daddy that.
Yeah.
Daddy that. Because, G, and what I realize is me not lie to you.
Talk to me.
Me used to live for myself. Although me have a son,
yeah,
I realize that I can't do that no more.
Yeah.
So, me I pray for Lego comedian, you know.
How you not say, brother?
Yeah, me I tell you the truth.
How you not say?
Me I tell you the truth. If I did pre-page 2 months ago, I be ads me there do.
That is true. That is true.
You see me never did drop no video towards that. I just ads me there run out because me never really did focus on the comedian lifestyle again. Because you see this me G using can't take it. I'm too real for using me G.
When they say using, what you mean by that?
Alright. Negus, a man we know say you have 40,000 followers and him have 20. Me I go come on and say,
Nah, brother.
I go forward on and I say, yo, dog, you know, say more Negus help me and show me when you reach 40K.
Yeah.
When some man I go come on and want to take your 40K, you understand what I say? So instead of come on and want to take your follower, why don't come on and learn from you and build? Just with lava. I went and chat and laugh for help lava and build lava, but I NID lava take it as a like he might try in a competition with me.
Word.
But you can't in a competition with somebody who make car when you going to buy it.
Yes, yeah. Okay.
It's like me, I make Toyota and you are come buy, but you in a competition with me.
With wrong bang.
Just like me make Moet.
Yeah.
And me feel like me want beat at NSC tonight. And you are in a competition with me, I buy beer box of Moet. My money pocket are going on. I any idea.
Jaja.
You see me, I say so. Some people use you for reach certain place and them not come around you for learn from you. You see this, where you come and set up. You notice I don't say nothing to you while you're setting up. I'm watching you. Because I need one of this.
Yeah.
So, me now go come on and say, yo, dog, John, and I say, yo, dog, you know, say, Negus. And Stash, get some little shady interview because I run go buy 2 mic. I want camera and do my own interview for myself. No. I go get a bad interview same way. And look what I go on and see what you press.
Yeah.
I know, say, when I left, Negus do something good and me like that. One. I call Negus and say, Negus, help me to set up this.
And you know, say, yo, brother, a easy 1, 2, 3, brother.
But I know everybody pre so.
That is true. I know everybody pre so for real.
Look on you. Yes, me watch you that, but probably not know enough. But just say, Hero. Boy, Hero, lend me in platform every time if you do this and do that. Out of 100 people, about 2 say that.
Yeah.
People look for use more than what they can gain from a person. Me look for gain. One hand can't clap.
Because the use thing, brother, if you're pretty used thing, you know, them only gonna get so much. But you see the gain where you talk about, as something when now gonna left you.
Nah,
Because you learn, you sit down and learn.
learn.
You know what? Rule number 1 in the 48 laws of power, brother. Never outshine the master. And that some of them are doing, you know, them come around you and try outshine the master. And when the master goes to boom now and say, I know what, do the thing, man. Everybody just there, so drop down. Bloop.
Bloop. Bloop. Swear. Drop a ground. Bloop.
Never outshine the master.
Real talk,
Sit down and learn, brother.
Learn.
You understand?
Learn.
That's why I'm going to go and watch your thing, brother. Because my thing, I realize, is not what you do, is how you do it. The key is to make people laugh, bro. My thing is a bag of editing thing. You see me? When time I come around here and I say, yo, brother, the editing thing, boy, I'm going to do the editing thing, you know. My thing no means because me edit my thing superior than World Dawg thing, you know.
Yeah.
Because look who's by World Dawg there. You see me I say? World Dawg there in a position right now where him not have edit no video. So when him tell me, say, boy, I'm in an editing thing, brother, he make me start do some straight shot video. Me never tell her that.
True, man.
But you make me start do some straight shot video, brother, because I realize, yo, here, it's the straight shot video, them, brother. Them just as funny as if your shit edited too. It just depends on what you do.
What you do?
It all depends on what you do. So you, my lad, inspire me for us to do some straight shot video, bro.
You know, say, sometimes the video don't have to be funny. Sometimes the video, people never dare expect you to do that.
Word.
So in the next 2 seconds there, so, and next 5 seconds, they do over there, so I do something. So then shock.
Yeah.
But you know, funny, you know, but they have to laugh.
Yeah.
And then can't go bypass the video where a whole heap of video me doing, you know, me G. Big man thing, you know.
Yeah.
I see 5,000 comments and I watch a video and I'm not laugh, you know.
Yeah, yeah. But you make 5,000 people laugh.
I make 5,000 people laugh. And some video when me do that, guy in here dead with laugh. Only get 2,000 comments. I say, cool, dog. Me no plan.
Yeah.
I just freestyle. Me get up here and say, all right then, come, oh, my IG now light up. I want a video.
Yeah.
I want to see my IG light up.
Facts.
I want to see comment drop in. So me get up and say, you know, so me I gotta do something out the box. And I say, all right then, me I think. That never do yet. That never do yet. That never do yet. Me see I do a video and I remix it.
Me?
Yeah.
Which video that?
The one with the underpants them.
Oh, yeah.
See, me see I do a video and I remix it. You see me? I like video like them, the people not really think if you really do certain video.
Yeah.
You know? So me kind of think out of box. Me try, you know, go when it fit me.
Yeah.
Me try stay here. So I'm tell you this one the first time, dog. You see me could have edit.
Them ain't a problem, man. Them ain't a problem.
Dog, if me could have edit video.
Them ain't a problem.
Cause you and Prince Pine right now.
Yeah.
I toughest editor me see.
Right, respect.
Me not see nobody edit like you and Prince Pine right now in a comedian game.
Yeah.
You see me? Slick white line of edit, you know.
Yeah.
But in alright. Tell her we sleep. Can't give him the fully 100%. Bad.
The fully 100 meaning props. Why you say that?
Because him do half a people.
Oh, meaning like take different people clips and put them together.
If somebody not drop them on the internet today,
Yeah.
you can't do a video.
Okay.
It's not supposed to be like that. It's supposed to be versatile.
Okay.